Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Abdullah Maulana. Number ID 23074057. Studi program Automotive Engineering. Measurement 1. Section 1 presentation. Look at this table. Look at this table 1. Aluminium. Chemical symbol. A O A L M G. This density 2700 kilogram per meter cubic. Melting point 660 Celsius. Average tensile stretch 90 Newton per millimeter square. Magnesium chemical symbol Cu. Fa. Density 1700 kilogram per meter cubic. Melting point 651 Celsius. Afferent tensile stretch 248 Newton per millimeter square. Copper cast chemical symbol PbNiTe. Density 8950 kilogram per meter cubic. Melting point 1083 Celsius. Afferent tensile stretch 340 Newton per millimeter square. Iron chemical symbol Zn. Density 7860 kilogram per meter cubic. Melting point 1535 Celsius. Average tensile stretch 15 Newton per millimeter square. Nickel density 11,300 kilogram per meter cubic. Melting point 327 Celsius. Average tensile stretch 172 Newton per millimeter square. Titanium density 8,900 kilogram per meter cubic. Melting point 1,458 Celsius. Average tensile strength 216 Newton per millimeter square. Zinc density 4,500 kilogram per meter square. Meter cubic. Melting point 1725 Celsius. Average tensile stress 110 Newton per millimeter square. Okay, next. Look at this sentences. Statement about metal table 1. First, aluminum has a density of the 2700 kilogram per meter cubic. Third, the second has the tensile strength of 15 Newton per millimeter square. Third, copper has a melting point of 1083 degrees Celsius. Okay, next one. Now make similar statement about other metals. Nickel has a Nickel has a tensile strength of 317 newtons per millimeter square, which contributes to its use in high-stress applications such as turbine, blades, and batteries. Fifth, zinc has a density of 7,140 kg per meter cubic, make it, making it dense now for use in galvanizing ball later than many structural metals. 6. Titanium has a tensile strength of 430 Newton per millimeter square, making it include strong and ideal for aerospace applications. Look at these sentences which show how the densities may be compared for the various metals. First, magnesium has a very low density. Second, aluminum has a low density. Third, titanium has fairly low density. Fourth, cast iron has a fairly high density. Lead has a very high density. 6. Lithium has a extremely low density. 7. Zinc has a moderately high density. Copper has a fairly high density. 9. Platinum has a very high density. 10. Nickel has a moderately high density. Now name these metals. First, a metal with a fairly high density, a very high melting point, and a fairly low tensile strength. Lead. Lead has a fairly high density, a relatively high melting point, uh, 300 327 degrees Celsius, and allow tensile strength 15 Newton meter per millimeter cubic. Second, nickel. Nickel has a high density 8.908 kilogram per meter cubic, high tensile strength up to 317 Newton per millimeter square, and a very high melting point 1455 degrees Celsius. Third, aluminium. Aluminum has a low density 2700 kilogram per meter cubic, a relatively low melting point 660 degrees Celsius, and relatively low tensile strength 90 Newton per millimeter square in pure form. 4. 4. Tin. Tin has a low melting point 232 degrees Celsius. Low tensile strength around 15 to 25 Newton per density and a relative height density 7,310 kilogram per meter cubic. With a metal with very low density, a very low melting point, and very high tensile strength. Titanium. Titanium has a low density 4,506 kilogram per cubic meter, a fairly low melting point 1,668 degrees Celsius, and very high tensile strength up to 1,000 Newton per millimeter square. 6. Metal with high density, a fairly high melting point, and very high tensile strength. Tungsten. Tungsten has a extremely high density 19,250 kilogram per cubic meter, a very high melting point 3,422 degrees Celsius, and very high tensile strength up to 1,500 Newton per millimeter square. 7. Metal with high tensile strike a high melting point and high density. Steel, alloy of iron, steel depending of composition, can have high tensile strike up to 1,000 Newton per millimeter square, a high melting point about 1,370 to 1,530 degrees Celsius, and high density around 7,850 kilogram per cubic meter. 8. A metal with a very low melting point, very high density, and very low tensile strength. Mercury. Mercury has a very low melting point, minus 39 degrees Celsius, very high density 1,370 kilogram per cubic meter, and very low tensile strength, since it is a liquid at room temperature. Look at this example. The lowest melting point of soft soldiers in 183 degrees Celsius. The highest melting point of soft soldiers is 310 degrees Celsius. So the melting points of soft soldiers range from 183 degrees Celsius to 310 degrees Celsius. The melting points of soft soldiers have a range of 127 degrees Celsius. Next, uh, silver holders. The melting point of silver soldiers range from 620 degrees Celsius to 740 degrees Celsius. As the melting point of brasses ranges from 850 degrees Celsius to 1000 degrees Celsius with the lowest melting point being 850 degrees Celsius and to highest being 1000 degrees Celsius. Monel metal. The lowest melting point of the monel metal is 1300 degrees Celsius, and with a range of 150 degrees Celsius, the highest melting point is 1150 degrees Celsius. Okay, that's all for my explanation and would like to say and thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.